Hey Blavanitos, what's up? In this video, let's do something a little different. I am going to display a sentence for you in Spanish. I want you to guess how you would say this sentence in English. Then, I will show you how to say it in English. Let's get started.
¿Qué tal ha ido tu día?
How has your day been? How has your day been?
Por favor, ¿me puedes pasar la sal?
Can you please pass me the salt? Can you please pass me the salt?
Gracias por la ayuda.
Thanks for the help. Thanks for the help.
Lo siento, no puedo hacerlo ahora.
Sorry, I can't do it now. Sorry, I can't do it now.
¿Puedes recomendarme un buen restaurante cercano?
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
¿Dónde está el baño?
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
¿Qué hora es?
What time is it? What time is it?
¿Me puedes decir cómo llegar a la estación de tren?
Can you tell me how to get to the train station? Can you tell me how to get to the train station?
¿Tienes un momento?
Do you have a moment? Do you have a moment?
¿Puedes prestarme $1?
Can you lend me $1? Can you lend me $1?
¿Has probado este plato antes?
Have you tried this food before? Have you tried this food before?
¿Cómo estás hoy?
How are you today? How are you today?
¿Me puedes dar tu número de teléfono?
Can you give me your phone number? Can you give me your phone number?
¿Tienes hermanos o hermanas?
Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters? Hey guys, do you like my videos? If you do, take a look at my Patreon. It's at patreon.com/blabinet. I am creating a lot of new content there for you so that you can improve your English quickly. I will also release the content of my videos to members in my Patreon. I have cool things over there like stories, live sessions, a section of cómo se dice in inglés, so if you have a question of how to say something, I can answer it for you there. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks so much, guys. You don't know how much I appreciate it.
Tengo 2 hermanos y una hermana.
I have 2 brothers and a sister. I have 2 brothers and a sister.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol.
I like to play soccer. I like to play soccer.
¿Qué te trae por aquí?
What brought you here? What brought you here?
¿Has estado aquí antes?
Have you been here before? Have you been here before?
¿Tienes planes para el fin de semana?
Do you have plans for the weekend? Do you have plans for the weekend?
Voy a salir con amigos.
I'm going out with some friends. I'm going out with some friends.
Estoy de vacaciones.
I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation.
¿Qué película quieres ver?
What movie do you want to see? What movie do you want to see?
Es un tema complicado.
That's a complicated issue. That's a complicated issue.
¿Qué hiciste ayer por la tarde?
What did you do yesterday afternoon? What did you do yesterday afternoon?
¿Te gustaría tomar un café?
Would you like to get a coffee? Would you like to get a coffee?
¿Qué te gustaría pedir de comer?
What would you like to order to eat? What would you like to order to eat?
¿Necesitas ayuda con algo?
Do you need help with something? Do you need help with something?
Me encanta la jardinería.
I love gardening. I love gardening.
Fui a París el mes pasado.
I went to Paris last month. I went to Paris last month.
Trabajo en una oficina.
I work in an office. I work in an office.
¿Has estado en ese restaurante antes?
Have you been to that restaurant before? Have you been to that restaurant before?
Voy a la playa con mi familia.
I'm going to the beach with my family. I'm going to the beach with my family.
¿Cómo te fue en el trabajo hoy?
How was work today? How was work today?
Tengo un perro llamado Max.
I have a dog named Max. I have a dog named Max.
¿Qué te gustaría hacer después de cenar?
What would you like to do after we eat dinner? What would you like to do after we eat dinner? Hey guys, do you think that these videos are really useful to you? If so, you can support my channel by clicking down below on the Thanks button. I hope that you can support me. Let's continue with the video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. This way, you can keep learning English with me. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao, my favorite blabanitos.